Today I'm going to be trying the 3D printed projectiles from Atomic Pickle. That's what they look like. I have a Bob Long Victory with the VCOM engine, that's the spool engine, and it has 4C eyes. We're going to drop this in the feed neck here, see what happens. Okay, as you can see, now we're going to shoot it indoors at the sweatshirt. I'm using a sweatshirt because they like to bounce off my doors and go down my staircase. Let's see what happens. So the 4C eyes do detect it. Let's try one more. I don't have a chronograph here that works very well, and I found it doesn't pick up on the velocity of these things very well anyway. When I left the field last weekend, this gun was shooting at 275-ish, and I was using paint match barrel. I'm using a 6.9 barrel right now. But as you can see, it shoots just fine with 4C eyes. I haven't wiggled it or anything. 4C eyes works just great. I'll shoot the door now so you can see what it does on a hard surface. Again, the projectiles are just fine. They're still together. Put one more in the loader, and we'll fire it. Alright, and one more. This is with my eyes on. And that went down my staircase.